Newspapers typically carry 50-60 articles, and it doesn't make a lot of sense for them to add more articles because the revenue from these marginal articles may not be much. However, the cost will go up linearly. Cost of print, cost of paper. In fact, this cost per article was the constraint around which the whole newspaper industry was organized. And then came internet and threw these constraints out of the window. And then came Google with an incentive of traffic and ad dollars, and the number of articles being produced grew manifold. So technology changed the constraints and reshaped an industry. With this context, let's try and understand what's happening with the videos. Here we are talking about the media industry. We are not talking about the YouTubers who may have a different cost structure and a different revenue model. Videos produced by TV channels have a high cost of production, high infrastructure costs, satellite costs, and then came YouTube, and it largely removed the cost of infrastructure. However, it did not change the cost of video production. And then came generative AI, where the code produces videos. So what happens to the media industry next? The media industry has access to countless stories, but they produce only a fraction of those as videos. This creates an interesting opportunity for a startup to help these companies reduce their cost of video production using generative AI and help them scale the number of videos they are producing by a factor of maybe 100x. And this cannot be done by a horizontal product with a DIY kind of mindset. So someone has to build a vertical product addressing these use cases, building for different types of stories, different types of news, weather, bulletin, breaking news, but help the media companies earn more revenue through these videos and take a share of that in the process.